Hello students, good morning. Now we will study maths. We are doing our chapter 7, that is factorization of algebraic expression. In that we will start today exercise 7.6. Hope students remaining exercise you have understood. Now we will start exercise 7.6, that is completing the square method. Factorize the following by completing the squares. So first question is that x square plus 6x plus 8. So student, in this method we have to complete the square. So here x square is there, right? Now it is, we have to convert x square plus 2ab plus b square like that way. So become 2 into x is there. Now here 6 is there. So by which number we have to multiply by 2 to get the 6, that is 3. Understood? Become 3 2s are 6x, right? Now, so last terms would be what? 3 square only, and 3 square is equal to what? 9. So here we have written as a 9. But how much we have? Plus 8 is there. Here we have written plus 8, 9. But we have only 8, right? We have written here 9, but we have original as a 8 only. So we have to subtract minus 1. Why? Because 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Understood this one? So we can write as a x plus 3 whole square minus 1. 1 is what? 1 square also. So we can write as a, it is become a square minus b square. So we can write x plus 3 minus 1, or we can write x plus 3 plus 1. So we can write x plus 3 minus 1 is equal to plus 2, and x plus 4, that is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. This is the completing method, right? Because here we have want 9. Why? To make this complete square, right? So it become 9 is there, but we just already have 8. So we have to subtract minus 1 to get this answer. Plus 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, right? Now students, if it is asked that just factorize, so what we will do? X square plus 6x plus 8 is there. It is just asked that only factorize, not by completing perfect term method. So what can you do? We can, here 1 is there, that we have done in the last exercise 7.5. Here 1 is there, here 8 is there. So what? You have to find out the factors of 8, and to get the 6 become 4 to the 8. So we can write here x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 8. So become x is a common and x plus 4, and here 2 is common, remaining x plus 4. So we can write x plus 4 as a common factor from this, and x plus 2 is the remaining one. You will get the answer same, but here is what? Completing of squares, and this is the method of splitting the middle term, right? Next sum is there 4x square minus 8x plus 3 is there. So 4x is what? 2x whole square is there minus 2. First term is given as a 2x, right? Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So here we want as a 2. Here 2 we want means here we want 2 square, right? 2 square is equal to what? 4. But here only 3 is there. We have taken as a 4. So we will do as a minus 1. Why? Because 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So it will become whole completing the square. So it become 2x minus 2 whole square, and minus we can write 1 square from here. So we can again write a square minus b square. So 2x minus 2 minus 1, and 2x minus 2 plus 1. Okay. So 2x minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3, and 2x minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, and bigger number sign which is minus 1. That is our answer. Now look students, here 3 terms are given. Check that it is given in a proper square method or not. So first is a x square, right, minus 2 into x, right? Check this, it is a perfect square. Yes, so it is y upon 5 whole square is there, and here we can write y upon 5. So it is given 2 upon 5. Yes, x, y and y. So it is already perfect square. So we will not do any method, just make it separate. It is one remain as it is. So here what will become? X minus y upon 5 whole square minus 1 square. So we can write as x minus y upon 5 minus 1, and x minus y upon 5 plus 1. That is our final answer. Now D number 1 upon 3 x square Now students, here 1 upon 3 is there. So what you will do, here we have multiply and divide by 3 to get 3 as a common. So what will become? Here 3 and 3 will be cancelled out, right? But 1 upon 3 is there. X square minus 3 multiply. So 3 2s are 6x upon 3. And again also multiply by 3. So 9 3s are 27 upon 3. So this is cancelled out. So remaining is what? 1/3 x square minus 6x upon 3 minus 27 3 upon 3. Now we are taking out 1 by 3 as a common. So what you will get? You will get x square minus 6x minus 27, right? Now taking as a 1/3 as a common only, so it is what? X square is there minus 2 into x. Now here 2 with are 6, so 2 3s are 6. So here we want last term as a 3. So here we want 3 square. 3 square is what? 9. Here we have 27, right? So here we have taken as a 9, right? So here we want minus 27. So what you will do, we have to put here minus 36. Why? Because minus 36 plus 9 is equal to what? Minus 27. So if we are putting here 9, then here we have to add or subtract 36 to get minus 27. So what can we write now? 1/3 is there. So it becomes x plus x minus this minus is there, so minus 3 whole square minus 6 square, right? So it becomes 1 upon 3 into x a square minus b square is there, so we can write x minus 3 minus 6 and x minus 3 plus 6. It will become 1/3 into x, it become minus 9 and here x plus 3. Okay, now here 1/3 is there, so we are multiplying with this sum. So what will become? X minus 9 will remain as it is. Now multiply it will become what? X upon 3 plus 3 upon 3 is equal to 1. That is our answer.